What is your name?
Manali Akad,
What is your age?
30 years old.
Okay. So what do you do?
I'm a laborer, working
Your
as a
labor.
laborer, yeah.
What is your experience in labor?
I have like 7 years experience.
7 years.
Yeah.
Okay. What is your height?
5'11".
5'11".
Yes.
Okay. Continue.